Very good. Now that we have learned our first E minor chord and can already play it, it's amazing how good it already sounds. We move straight on to our second chord, G major. To get to G major, we start again with our E minor chord. So let's place it once more. To go from E minor to G major, we only need to change one finger. We play E minor, lift the middle finger, and move to the very deep string in the 3rd fret. Probably the distance between the index and middle finger is relatively large now. You can slide the index finger a little within the fret. Up to the fret wire, that's fine. Just don't place the index finger on the fret wire, because otherwise the tone eventually doesn't sound quite right anymore. Yes? So let's try again. We play E minor, lift the middle finger to the low E string in the 3rd fret, and slide over with the index finger. You can also slide over with the index finger while lifting the middle finger. It doesn't matter. Yes, wonderful. And our G major is ready. The big G major, it's a little bit different. Normally the ring finger should go on the high E string in the 3rd fret. That can be a bit challenging at first. You can try it if you like, but we don't need it at the beginning. We'll play our G major with just 2 fingers, namely the index and middle fingers. Take a short break. Well, you do it very good, and then we'll try that again. Okay, remember, we play our E minor, move up with the middle finger, slide over and place the middle finger on the low E string on the 3rd fret. Now we also want to hear and check if the chord sounds right. We do this again with our right hand thumb, place it on the thick string, and play all the strings as if pulled by a string. And once more. And very good. Again, something about this G major, the correct G major in quotation marks, and our G major. This chord that we are playing now is actually called G6, just as an aside, so that everything is musically correct. But as I said, we'll call it G major for now and practice it like this. If after some time you can place your ring finger down here, or maybe even now, that could be, then feel free to do so. Okay, do you hear the high string when playing the G major? Is that the correct G major? Try it out how it fits.